I've never seen them do that. But I'm about to launch my new Vibe Yellowfin 100. See if I can get on some fish today. I'm at Lake Norman. There's a Jeep right here. Hanging out at Jeep. That's my setup. I'm trying to be quiet so I don't spook the fish if there's any here. Oh, we got one. It just dropped and I already got one. I just dropped it and I already got one. First fish on. What we got here? First fish on. Oh, it's a big one. What we got here? Crappie. That'll be a crappie. Oh, it's a largemouth bass again. There's some bass here. I was hoping. Fish on. Let it be a crappie. Let it be a crappie. Whatever it is big. Whatever it is big. Oh yes, slab. Slab, y'all. Look at that slab. Lake Norman slab. Alright, y'all. I just got on my first fish. First Lake Norman slab right here. So, it's a nice one. He's probably about 12 and a half. But that's a good fish. I got another hit right here. Oh no. Let's try it again. See if I can get him on a stringer here. Nice one. Alright. Fish on. Hit another slab. Fish on. Yep. Another slab, bro. Another slab, y'all. Yes. 2 slabs today. Right here. In the same boat slip. Nice fish. Nice fish. Nice fish. I think I might have found them, guys. I just need to be patient and just play with it a little bit. Make it. See if I can get them on a stringer. So I got 2 so far. Alright. Get them on a stringer. Alright, so 2 slabs so far. Alright, I've hit all the docks from the time I got here to now. And I've only caught that 2 and that bluegill. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do a little trolling in the deep in the main channel like I did last time and see if I can hook up on some crappie. Let's just troll around here. Let this one down some because it gets pretty deep out here. I think it's at least 30 plus. Stuck already. Let go too much, I guess. Oh, come on, man. Fish on trolling. Fish on trolling. See what it is. Looks like a white perch. White perch. I'll keep him. Decent white perch. So I just caught him trolling. I was hoping it was a crappie, but oh well. He'll fry in the kitchen. Put him on a stringer here with the rest of them. What I usually do is if I don't eat them, I take them to my parents' house. Every fish I keep to get eaten. No waste. But that one's a white perch. Again, I've stressed it many times before my videos. Make sure it's not a white bass. You don't want to get a ticket. Alright, let's put them back in there and troll back. What I'm going to do is I'm going to troll back. If I catch something, I might come back around, but if not, I'm just gonna go hit the docks before I leave. But it's been a decent day. 2 crappie, decent sized crappie, but I don't think it's over yet. We'll get some here right before the sunset. There's some hybrids in this water too, so maybe I can hook up to one of them. And for those of you that haven't seen a hybrid, it's a mix between a striper and a white bass. I think some parts of the country call it bodied bass instead of hybrid. Let's just float down. Alright, so I decided to do another loop here. I'm gonna go down here about another 15-20 feet and then turn back around. Hoping I can get a hybrid or something. Alright, let's flip a Yui here and see if we can make that bait sink a little bit. Let's see what happens. Let's throw a little to the dock there. Nothing. I got one. I got one. I think I went through the white perch bed again. They're holding somewhere over here. Let's see what we got here. Come on, let it be a crappie. Let it be a crappie. Or in my brain, let it be a crappie. Hybrid. And there it is, y'all. I got a hybrid on the minnow. Settle down, buddy. I'm gonna let you go. Alright, so here's the hybrid. So just like a striper, looks just like a striper, but it's not as long. I think this one's actually a striper, because it's not. No, it's a hybrid. So these have to be 16 inches, and I'm pretty sure it ain't 16 inches. This is gotta be 16 inches. I think this one's about maybe 12, 13, 14. But yeah, this is a hybrid. Back in the water. Alright, buddy. I'm trying to be quiet so I don't spook the fish if there's any here. I already got one. It just dropped and I already got one. I just dropped it and I already got one. Oh, it's a slab, y'all. It's a slab, y'all. It's a slab. Look at that thing. Oh, look at that, y'all. I just dropped this thing and it took it. Oh my goodness, this thing. This thing's got to be at least 13 inches. Man, that's what you call a slab right there. I just dropped it. Hopefully there's more of them here. And put them on the stringer here. Oh my goodness, that's a slab right there, boy. Lake Norman has some slabs. I guess you just gotta find where they are. Alright. That's a good sign. Let's drop it back down again, see. Let's drop it back down. So that one right there I just caught is bigger than the first one I caught. That thing's probably 13 inches. So I dropped it all the way down. Let's drop this one down. It might be hanging right at the bottom, maybe. Alright, it's at the bottom. Maybe he wants active bait. Might need to change the minnow. It's still active. Try to in the corner. Look at that, y'all. Look at that slab. Alright, it just dropped to the bottom. Slowly work it up. You can't tell me there was only one there. No way. Alright, let's see if I catch one a little closer to the middle here. Another slab. Another slab. Look at that thing. This one almost took my rod in right here. This one almost took my rod in. Look at that. Another slab. I was messing with the other rod and this one almost took my rod in. About the same size as the other one. Lake Norman slab right there.